What's going on, guys? Vick Almighty here with another episode of Shoe Care Academy. I know you guys are sick and tired of Johnny and Robert, so I'm here to steal the show. Today I'm going to be cleaning up these super cooked Air Jordan 1 J Balvins provided to us by KYX World. If you don't know who KYX World is, be sure to check them out. Let's get started. For before and after purposes, we're going to put the left shoe to the side, remove the laces and insole to give those a thorough cleaning later. Next, we're going to grab our shoe tree, adjust it to size, and insert it inside the shoe. This will help with the creasing and help us apply pressure on the toe box during the cleaning process. Before we start cleaning the shoe with solution and water, we're going to grab our soft bristle brush and brush off any surface grime or dirt. Alright, now let's start cleaning. Let's grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution, squirt 2 squirts in our water. Uppers are looking great, you guys. We're going to continue using the soft bristle brush on the uppers. I do not want to use a medium bristle brush because I do not want to fray the material. I am going to, however, get under all these little flaps all around the shoe to make sure it's clean. Alright guys, I'm super happy on how it's looking. My only concern about this material was that it might bleed. However, that did not happen. So we're just going to continue cleaning up the shoe with the soft bristle brush. We're going to move on to the insides and the tongue. Uppers are good to go. Moving on to the last brush, we're gonna use our stiff bristle brush to get these soles all cleaned up. All right, you guys, this cleaning is good to go. Let's go ahead and grab our towel, pat it down dry. Originally, I was going to put the shoe in the washing machine, but honestly, it does not need it. Did an awesome job with it. All right, let's put these outside so they can dry so we can come back and lace it up. All right, guys, we are back after letting the shoe fully dry. Honestly, I'm super pleased on how this shoe turned out. The colors are back to being fully vibrant. The stitching all around is back to white. Originally, I was going to put the shoe in the washing machine. It didn't need it. We ended up using the Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit instead of the Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. You can find our products at Reshoevn8r.com. Now, let's get into the giveaway. We have teamed up with our good friends over at KYX World to bring you this awesome giveaway. 3 lucky people will win one of these 3 prizes. First is a pair of J Balvins in a size 10.5. Second is a customized side door display. And third is a Tier 2 membership to KYX World. Click the link in the bio and follow all the steps to enter. Good luck, and I'll see you guys next Monday.